Hey guys, how to use automation to cut business costs. Step 1. Find out what's draining money. Make a list of manual tasks, duplicated software, repetitive admin work, jobs that can be replaced by automation. You will find cost leaks in customer support, onboarding, invoicing, reporting, content production, emails, scheduling. Step 2. Replace manual work with automation tools. Use Zapier or Make, connect apps, remove manual labor. HubSpot AI, automate CRM plus sales tasks. Active Campaign AI, automate email plus segmentation. Notion AI workflows, manage operations. Google AI Studio, replace data analysis labor, turn them into a system. Step 3. Automate key business workflows. Lead capture, CRM follow-ups, form filled, added to CRM, tagged automatically, AI sends tailored email, added to nurture funnel. You just removed a part-time assistant. 2. Customer support automation. Use Intercom AI, TDO AI, Zendesk AI. Set up automated FAQs and set replies, AI generated solutions, ticket prioritization. Cuts support costs by 50 to 70%. 3. Financial automation. Use QuickBooks plus Zapier, PayPal or Stripe automation, Invoice Ninja, Notion Finance Tracker. Automate invoices, reminders, payment follow-ups, expense categorization. No accountant needed for small business. Step 4. You build auto reporting. Use Google Looker, Notion dashboards, Active Campaign reporting, HubSpot reports. All your KPIs update automatically. No manual reporting time. Step 5. Cancel unnecessary software. After automating, remove tools that automation replaced. You will save $200 to $1,000 a month instantly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.